Today we will learn some more cooking words.
Hooray!
Look carefully. If I divide the apple into pieces, what am I doing?
Cutting.
Yes, this is cutting. But what does cutting mean?
To divide something into pieces using a knife.
Very good. Now I am making 4 pieces. What is this called?
Quartering.
Correct. What does quartering mean?
To cut into 4 pieces.
Excellent. I am cutting this into 2 equal parts. What is this called?
Halving.
Right. What does halving mean?
To cut into 2 equal parts.
Very good. What if I make thin pieces?
Slicing.
Correct. But what does slicing mean?
To cut into thin, flat pieces.
Excellent. I am cutting into small pieces very quickly. What is this?
Chopping.
Good. What does chopping mean?
To cut into small pieces quickly.
Well done. Look at these small square pieces. What is this called?
Dicing.
Yes. What does dicing mean?
To cut into small cube-shaped pieces.
Perfect. What am I doing now?
Peeling.
Right. What does peeling mean?
To remove the outer skin.
Very good. I am cutting the unwanted ends. What is this called?
Trimming.
Good. What does trimming mean?
To cut off unwanted parts.
Very good. Look at these tiny pieces. What is this called?
Grating.
Yes. What grating mean?
To cut into very small pieces using a grater.
Wonderful. I am cutting this into very, very small pieces. What is this called?
Mincing.
Yes. This is mincing. But what does mincing mean?
To cut into very tiny pieces.
Excellent. Now I am making long, thin strips. What is this called?
Julienne.
What does julienne mean?
To cut into long, thin strips.
Perfect. Look at these thin, long pieces. What is this called?
Shredding.
Yes. What does shredding mean?
To cut into thin, long pieces.
Well done. These are big cube pieces. What is this called?
Cubing.
Yes. What does cubing mean?
To cut into cube-shaped pieces.
Well done. I am pressing this to make it soft. What is this called?
Mashing.
Yes. What does mashing mean?
To crush into a soft texture.
Great job. Look, I am making this smooth. What is this called?
Blending.
Correct. What does blending mean?
To make something smooth.
Well done. Now, it is very smooth like a paste. What is this called?
Pureeing.
Correct. What does pureeing mean?
To make a very smooth paste.
Excellent. You all are amazing learners. Keep learning. Keep growing. We will learn some more in the next lesson.